Hello,
Hello.
This is Miss Shilcock,
And I'm Hunter.
and we're just going to show you how to make your own assault course using only
Chalk.
chalk. Watch what we've done. Okay, Hunter's going to demonstrate. So Hunter, starting on the start, and you're going to go onto the hopscotch. That's it, good. Now, balance. So 1 foot in front of the other. Lovely. And it says spin 5 times, 5 spins. How many is that? Good. Now you've got, touch your toes and jump over the lines with 2 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jumping jacks. Good. Follow the line. And zoom, run fast and stop. Okay, now jump with 2 feet. And again, and put your hands down and do 5 push-ups. Very good. Okay, can you balance? Good, hopping on 1 foot, follow the line. And Hunter, what does it say?
Do it backwards.
Go on, back you go. That's it, follow the line, don't cheat. Good, it's 10 jumping jacks. Good, touch your toes. 5 spins. This is going to be harder now. And balance, balance. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish. Well done. Give yourself a round of applause. Well done.
Okay, Mum's going to go to the start line and start with the hopscotch. 1. Okay, now she's going to bounce along the line. Touch your toes 5 times.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now just touch your toes. Alright, and just jump over the lines. Right, now do 10 jumping jacks.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now she's going to follow the lines, a bit tricky. No cheating, Mum. Round and round and try and keep round a bit. Now 2. And jump, jump. Do 5 push-ups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, perfect, now bounce along the lines. Perfect, now do 5 hops. Now spin around and read what it says.
It says, do it backwards.
Oh yeah, you have to do it. Are you tired? You sure? Good. Okay, do 5 push-ups again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now jump, jump. Okay, now 2. Now follow the line. No cheating. There we go, now 10 jumping jacks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now do jumping lines. There we go, and now touch your toes and spin 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, perfect, and now bounce along the line. Make sure it's not fall off. Okay, now do hopscotch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you done it!
Hey.
Woo!
Good job. Okay, so that is how you can make your own assault course gym outside your house with nothing but some ordinary chalk
Yep.
and your imagination. So have a go. Your neighbours might enjoy it as well. Alright?
See ya!
Bye!